Can you explain why you should not use JavaScript?
Some people think it has as many security holes as Java.
I get that. Half the Java updates are to fix security holes, not improve its functionality.
You do realize Java is not JavaScript.
I saw that as one of the first lines on the Wikipedia page.
Some people may want to avoid JavaScript because it is easily manipulated on a web page to introduce malware on insecure websites, such as uploading malware on someone's machine by visiting your site.
Talk about a bad customer experience. Can I avoid the problem by not using JavaScript on my website?
A short-term solution is not using external JavaScript files. Then you avoid both the security problems of someone attacking the JS reference to load malware instead, and features not working, if the loaded web page cannot access the external location.
It also eliminates the slower load time, because loading the page is not the entire page.
If you use external JavaScript files on a web page, it can get attacked so that the cookie information for user logins can be stolen, or even when they click to place an order it steals someone's credit card information.
How do you then set up shopping carts and log in Windows if you do not use external JavaScript files?
Copy the external JavaScript file locally to the website, and integrate it into the page. This is easier with HTML5.
Do I have to use HTML5?
HTML5 is the new default standard for the web. However, HTML5 is smart enough to load as plain HTML on old browsers, and will load simple text pages.
I know HTML5 eliminates Java plugins and Adobe Flash plugins for multimedia presentations.
You can still do the files in those types, but it won't work in some browsers.
Adobe Flash won't work on the iPhone or iPad now. That's why some animations are done in JavaScript.
You should certainly minimize the use of JavaScript on the web page. While Adobe Flash might crash, it cannot infect your computer.
Just an update of the updater to be even more annoying, I guess. How then do you do multimedia?
Use the audio and video elements in HTML5 to play music and show video. Embed maps and features using HTML5 elements like draw.
Those are cute features, but they may not be everything I need for a good website.
HTML5 is designed for web page apps that are entirely HTML5, letting you access data and play games, and view maps. You can use the next generation of HTML to replace JavaScript for almost everything.
And have a nearly featureless website, except for the HTML games and text.
That's what HTML5 cascading style sheets and PHP plugins for WordPress and in-page code let you do when combined.
My web designer probably does not know all that.
You probably need a new web designer. In fact, if your web marketing strategy is submitting the web page to X number of search engines, replace the web designer so you can replace your website too.